11 a.m. I got my little poopy whoopy in here. Huh. You're my new little baby. Huh? Mama brought him in here because she's got to go make some oatmeal. Mama almost eats just as much as you do. Got one of those kisses. Sometimes I get a little suckety sue on the lower lip because he thinks it's at the nipple, but he figured that trick out. Are you playing? Hey, daddy, little boy. Huh? I'm telling you guys, this is a good baby. This is what he does when he's awake. No crying. We got lucky. He just looks at you. You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Uh-huh. Look at Daddy. Roman. Roman. Look at Daddy. Are you just looking at everything in the whole world? Like, what do they think? Like, what do they possibly could they be thinking? It's not like they can think, wow, what's in here? Because they don't know the words, wow, what's in here? They don't know those words. So it's not like they even have a language to think in. Because when you think in a language. So, like, what's he thinking? He's thinking, I don't know what he's thinking. Just, you can't even think, like, this is new. Can you? Are you just thinking about Daddy's armpit smell? Can you smell Daddy's armpit? That's the smell of a man. Oh, jeez. Couple good sneezes there. Huh? Give me a kiss and we'll say Roger and out. Okay? Give me a kiss. Show the camera how you give Daddy kisses. See, he catches on right away now. That's my baby. He's gonna be... I think he's definitely gonna be an athlete. Of course. I want him to be like Painter Bob. Remember that Bob dude that used to paint like forests and stuff? And he had that black curly hair and he'd be on when you were a little kid painting on that weird TV channel. That's gonna be Roman. That's my dream for him. Right, Roman? I'm just joking. I hope you're not Painter Bob. Was Bob his name? What was that dude's name? Could somebody leave a comment and tell me what that dude's name was? Roger and out.